Hi, Tony. Thanks for sharing this plan with me. It always makes it a lot easier. The first thing I noticed was that you've got roof polylines turned on. That's what that 12 and 12 thing is and what it says. Let me see. It should be over under roofs, baseline polylines. Yeah, see, there's a red plus, so there's something on that layer, and the layer is turned on. And I'm going to try to select it as a polyline. I'm going to hit the tab key until I come up with it. Let's see, what's that? Let's open that and see what that is. Roof baselines. Okay. See, once you set this up, then it's not going to do anything than this. And you've got it, it's all set, as you can see, 12 and 12. So I'm going to delete that. I never use this tool. Never. I suppose if a guy studied it and used it often and so forth, then maybe it might become useful, but sectioned up like this, I'm going to do a further check. Now you can't do this in Home Designer Pro, but in this one I'm going to turn all the layers off and then go to that and go to roofs and see if I missed anything. Roofs, baseline polylines. Okay, there's still, I'm going to turn on and see what I missed. There's the other one I missed. I'm going to delete that. Then we'll go back to the default set. You don't have layer sets in Pro, but trust me, it's a time saver. Okay, so now it's going to only get its orders from this build roof dialog where everything's set to 10. See, with that arbitrary sitting there of those roof baseline polylines saying 1212, that's why it was 1212. Because that's the prior order that you did. You did this to yourself, okay? This is not the software being an enemy of yours. This is you being an enemy of you by not knowing, enemy of yours by not knowing how the software is programmed to work. So now it's going to do 1010, and if we build the roof planes, I guarantee you all the roofs will be 1010. Because I've removed the arbitrary that you put in there that demanded 1212 roofs. Looks like I need to look at that dialog a little more closely. Let's, I'm going to do Shift F6. We'll go over here to this plan view and then open this build roof dialog. There must be something else going on here that I didn't see on the face of it. Okay. Let's see, I was thinking maybe this was checked, but that's on the second floor. Well, then it's not here in the dialog. So I'm going to go down here and just open this one here where there's no roof. Now I was assuming that I would see this roof over this room is unchecked, but that's not the case. Okay, that says roof over, but there's no roof. Check over here in the garage. On the structure tab. Yeah, you've got a roof ordered, there's just no roof. Now it may be that there's some rooms on the second floor. No. The only room here is that one. You don't need to draw this wall way over there. The program will draw it for you. Oh, I guess the program already did. Excuse me. Get rid of that. Okay. So that's not the cause. I'm just going to build roofs again, see if we can get a better result. Rebuild wall, that's fine, that's fine. Oh, use existing roof basement. Why would you have that checked? There's no existing roof baselines except those polylines that you drew, which I deleted. Bingo. Okay, that looks a little better. Not perfect, obviously. This is a complicated roof. It will probably require, oh my God, some manual editing. That is some kind of weird. Well, I'm not going to sort it all out unless you're willing to pay me to do that. Because I don't know exactly what you have in mind. But this is what you're seeing are the result of the settings that you gave the software to work with. And obviously some of the settings are improper for what you want, and maybe some are, but only you could tell that. So I'm going to send you a link to this video, and then you can go from there based on what you want to do. Okay? Thank you. I'm out of here.